Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Edward Seaga, and I know a lot of people are going to say them tired to hear about him. This man have been dead for how long, and them still talk about him, them still wheeling around all of Jamaica, but this needs to be talked about. It says, preparations are well underway for the funeral of former Prime Minister Edward Seaga. Work crews were vigorously putting in the final touches on Thursday amid general spruce up of the area around the Holy Trinity Cathedral on North Street, the National Heroes Park, and the route to be taken by the funeral procession, and to gain access to both the church and National Heroes Park. Seaga, who won the bloody 1980 general election and governed until 1989, is to be given a state funeral on Sunday. The service is slated for Holy Trinity Cathedral on North Street in downtown Kingston, before the funeral procession moves to the National Heroes Park, where he will be interned. At the church, the entire surrounding is to be spruced up. The main roads are leading to and from the venue, as well as secondary turnoff roads, are also being overlaid or patched as necessary in sections. Also, the sidewalks are being painted in the appropriate parking and no parking colors of white and yellow, respectively, as the occasion is to involve the attendance of numerous dignitaries, including overseas head of government. Overseas head of government? And when it's about Seaga? Anyways, a set of work crew was busy laying cables for the event to be smoothly televised, while the trees on the ground were being trimmed and unnecessary waste matter were being placed in heaps to be picked up and disposed of. At Heroes Park, the grave that will be the final resting place for the former Prime Minister was being painted. This while there is an extensive ongoing construction work at the main entrance to the park on Morisco Road. Marl has been placed in sections of the entrance where the asphalt that was in place had been eaten away by lack of maintenance. So them never did take care of the place, but now since him dead, them have to take care of it. Government officials out there, foreign people out there, so they need it to look good. In obvious preparation for the area to be paved. At the same time, the main structure of the entrance to the park is being tiled. Work crews are also seen trimming flowers and doing gardening generally within the park. Seaga, Jamaica's 5th Prime Minister, died on his birthday on May 28th in Miami, Florida, in the United States of America, where he had gone to seek medical attention after ailing for some time. Ironically, Seaga was born in Boston, Massachusetts, USA, where his Jamaican mother had gone, but returned to Jamaica when he was 3 months old. He led the Jamaica Labour Party from 1974 until 2005. So all this time, them never feel like say that park or those roads needed to be fixed, needed to be paved, asphalt needed to be put down. But as soon as Seaga died, they felt like it was necessary to do so. And as soon as he's going to be buried, they felt like that is like a slap in the face to the people that have to take that road every day to go to work and to school, and the people that actually sell on those roads or have a business on those roads. That's like a big slap in the face. That shows you that you're nothing. That shows you mean nothing to Jamaican government. That shows you that if you're a prime minister, them no business about you, business about where you have to drive to go to school or work, or where your business are located. Because I know for a very long time, people have been complaining about that same road and wanting it to be fixed. But I know them find it convenient to fix it. And a lot of people have been saying allegedly that Seaga not even in the casket. Seaga not even in the casket where them have the wheel around everywhere, because they have yet to open their casket, and them claim say Seaga want closed casket funeral, but people have been alleging that he's not in the casket, it's all for show, and people, his family members that come from Boston, Massachusetts, are going to bury him in Boston, Massachusetts, and not Jamaica. Them just have one empty casket that parade around. Anyways, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that it's a slap in the face that now is when they're paving the roads and fixing the roads? Their thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think he's actually in the casket? Do you think it's a slap in the face that now is when they want to pave the road, fix the road, and do all these things? And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.